हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, इट हैज बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम सिंस आई मेड a FaceTime video, and oh my gosh, like wow, I don't even know how to film anymore, and it has been a hot minute you guys, and I wanted to share so many things with you guys, and also I didn't know how to share it with you. Like, it's so weird, like it's literally been like 1 or 2 years since I've made a proper face cam video. Like, yeah, it's a lot since I've moved out here in Jaipur, and yeah, there's a lot of changes that has been going on with me and with my life, and I wanted to tell you guys whatever is happening over here. I really didn't know what I wanted to shoot today, but here it is. You guys should know that it took me 3 days just to set up this background. Like, it was like hectic, but I still managed to do something. So let me know in the comment section if you like this or not. And now let me tell you guys about the life update. So, as majority of you guys already know that I've moved to Jaipur, and since then a lot has been changed in my life, because like, it literally changed my life. We moved here and I have entered into the college, and oh my god, it was like another level of experience, because it has been a roller coaster of emotion like throughout this journey. Like, it has been 2 years since I've been in college, and it was like a lot. I've had such positive and adorable, lovely moments with me and my friends, but there was also some negative kinds of experiences. It was so much that I wasn't able to even film slime videos for a while, and I was like slacking off and all of that. It was too much distraction for me. Like, I was busy throughout, like with matters such as with friends, all kinds of things. I was super busy. Like, it was like too much for me. Like I literally suddenly had this big friend group, and I have to handle all of that. I've never had this big of a friend group before, and it was like a lot for me. And yeah, that is a different story for another time. But yeah, I'm finally back, and I'm here for you guys. I've completed 2 years of my college journey, and you guys might think like I look different. I did had a lot of transformation, but I still gained a lot of weight after that matter. Like, I lose some of it, then I gained another bit. Like, I gained again. On that topic, I'm actually doing a series of my fitness series or something like that on my second channel, that is Farhana Nusrat. So if you guys aren't subscribe to that, then make sure to go and subscribe there. I'm going to upload like a lot of content there. If you want to know all the behind the scenes stuff and everything, you guys can go there. I am going to vlog a lot, and also I'm going to post all of these things about like my background, or how I upload videos, or how to do YouTube basically. So I'm going to be sharing all of my insights there, like how to get views, how to get subscribers, and stuff like that. So if you guys want to learn how to start a YouTube channel, basically how to live a healthy, productive, that girl kind of life, so you might want to check it out. So go there and subscribe, and I will not disappoint you guys. The content there is going to be really, really fun. So that was it about the life update. Like, I went to college, and I literally got preoccupied by so many things. Like, I was studying not 24/7, but most of the times, and literally I had exams back to back. And this first 2 years are literally super hectic. Now it's holidays, so I'm getting a bit more time to film and make videos for you guys. But soon it's going to be another new year of college. So if you want to be together, and if you want to know more about my college and stuff, then you also might want to subscribe to Farhana Nusrat, because I am uploading a lot of content there, you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I am going to film more content for you guys. A lot of exciting videos are coming. So yeah, that's just the small message that I wanted to share with you guys. Like, I know it has been a long time, and I am so thankful that you guys are sticking up with me and you are still seeing and enjoying my videos. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see like what kind of videos from me and what new content you want me to post. Just let me know all of those things in the comment section down below, and I will be super thankful for your feedback. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to come here and sit with you guys and be real with you guys so that you guys know what's happening behind the scenes. A lot more interesting stuff are coming in this channel and also in my second channel, so you might want to have a look there as well. So yeah, that's it for the life update kind of thing. Like, I am moving into the third year of my college, and like then I will be graduating. So yeah, like hopefully the third year will be a less hectic for me and I will be able to make more videos for you guys. So make sure to give this video a like and give any positive comments in the comment section below so that I will give shout out to you lovely people. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.